Hi, I'm Colley Whisson. I've been painting for 30 years and I've taught workshops in 5 different countries over the last 22 years. Beginning with my first magazine article in 1994, I've now gone on to write 2 books and 30 magazine articles for the Australian artist and international artists. With many joint exhibitions behind me, I've also held 29 solo exhibitions in Australia and the US. My online course will be featuring landscape painting in all its many forms and variations. This course will feature design, values, structure, and placing animals in the landscape. I've gone in depth to show and uncover the essential information that's required to execute visually exciting paintings. Some of the key points my course covers are focal points, directional lines, perspective, tonal values, colour temperature, brushwork and edges. My course is designed to provide the artist with relevant and pertinent information to get you up and running in your journey. It does not matter if you're a beginner or an experienced painter, you'll be given ideas and concepts that you will be able to put into practice immediately. I believe once you've gone through this course, you'll be armed with insight, perception, knowledge and clarity into a modern impressionist approach to oil painting. This will then enable you to take your work to the next level.